The Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has sounded a sharp warning on India's air pollution crisis, calling it a full-blown assault on our brains and bodies. Citing alarming new data, Ramesh said that in 2023, around 2 million deaths in India were linked to air pollution, a 43% rise since 2000, calling air pollution both a public health catastrophe and a national security threat. Jairam Ramesh urged the government to radically revise the National Clean Air Program and update India's air quality standards last set in 2009. All right, CNN News 18's Sherin Elizabeth is joining us on this story. Sherin, in the latest remark coming from the Jairam Ramesh's side, they are of course asking certain things from the union government. They are of course putting out the data of the deaths which happened since 2000 to 2023. Tell us more about this.
So a clear attack that is coming in from the Congress party as far as the pollution situation in the national capital is concerned. We have seen that there is on a daily basis ever since Diwali, the AQI has increased, the pollution levels have increased, and since then the Aam Aadmi Party has also been attacking the government over the handling of the pollution situation. And now the Congress party has also in fact saying that as far as the entire data is concerned in 2023, pollution is no longer just a respiratory issue, but it has now grown into a full-blown assault on the brain and the bodies of people. And about 2 million deaths in India has been linked to air pollution. And there has been a 43% jump is what Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party is saying. So now they have in fact been demanding that as far as WHO guideline is concerned, the PM 2.5 is 8 times higher than what the guideline of WHO is. And there needs to be some radical steps that needs to be taken on ground is the demand that is coming in from the Congress party. Clearly, Arun, in coming days, the pollution level is going to be the big talk between the political parties because since BJP has come to power, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress have made it their main agenda to attack the government over pollution because this was one of the criteria that was mentioned by the BJP in their manifesto as well, that they will in fact be reducing air pollution in the national capital. So will that happen? How is going to be the BJP handle the situation? Because the wind is going to slow down, the temperature is going to drop, and the situation might get worse than what it is right now.
And Sherin, undoubtedly, of course, BJP government is under pressure because you have central government, Delhi government, both of BJP. But in terms of health ministries, any guidelines or anything, any data which they are putting out about this latest spike in PM 2.5?
Arun, every year before the pollution sets in, there has in fact been a guideline that is always released by the health ministry, considering how there is always an illness among people. But yet there is no type of guideline that has.
All right, we seem to have lost Sherin there. But of course, she was talking about the guidelines, which is there every year from the health ministry's side, because this is, of course, very sensitive period. The winters, every year we see there is a massive rise in pollution levels in national capital region. And again, this year also, it seems that there has been a certain spike, which of course, Delhi BJP government is saying that they are putting all their efforts into curbing that pollution levels. Various efforts, of course, are being taken in that regard.